let's clarify a very confusing term. And that once you get past this lesson, I hope that this never confuses you again. But this is one of those things that just locks a lot of people down. And I want to go ahead and clarify this right out of the gate. What is the difference between these 5 terms? Executor, trustee, petitioner, administrator, and personal representative. What's the difference? There is no difference. Those 5 terms are interchangeable. Different counties and courthouses and municipalities, they all kind of have their own term. The definition of that term, regardless of which 5 are going on in your county, heck, there may even be more than those 5. Those are just the 5 I could think of. It means the person appointed to administer the estate of a recently deceased person. Okay, that sounds, even that definition sounds a little complicated. Basically, it means the person in charge of the house for somebody who died. That's kind of the simplified version of it. So do not let that name fool you. Whether, what I'm going to do in this course, I'm going to be using the word executor, okay? But again, that word may be different in your county, but don't let it fool you. It means the exact same thing. I use the term executor because in my counties of Atlanta, Georgia, down in, Gwinnett and DeKalb and Cobb and Forsyth and Fulton, these counties in Georgia, that's what they refer to them as, executor. So I'm going to be using the word executor. Don't let it fool you. Okay, we're clear. All right, let's move on.